So guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got this M2 Competition in for our level 2 package along with extended front PPF. We hope you enjoy the video. Let's get into it. So as always, the first step is to fully decontaminate the vehicle, so we'll give it a good clean down, make sure there's no contaminants on there before we bring it into the studio and start our multi-stage paint correction. So once the car's been given a good clean, we'll bring the car into the studio, take the wheels off, and then we can go ahead and start applying the PPF. What you can see here is just going over the bonnet with a clay bar just to make sure there's no contaminants on the hood of the vehicle before we apply the PPF. This BMW M2 is in for our extended front end PPF package, so the bonnet, arches, front bumper, side skirts, wing mirrors will all be protected with paint protection film. As this is in for our level 2 package as well, the bits that aren't PPF'd will be coated with 4 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, then an additional layer of top coat, but we'll show you that a bit later on. So yeah, as I mentioned, the guys have done a fantastic job of the PPF, but next up we need to go ahead and get the rest of the car done. So first up, we fully clean the wheels on the barrels and faces of the car, just so that when we apply any ceramic coatings, there's no contamination on them. So now that the wheels are all clean and ready to be coated, we can go ahead and start our multi-stage paint correction. All our detailing packages come with these, and you should see a massive difference with the paintwork on your car. With our multi-stage paint correction, we'll go over the entire car, look and see if there's any marring or imperfections that we can get out before applying the ceramic coating. As if we apply them whilst there's still imperfections on the car, you'll notice them a lot more.
So
now that the multi-stage paint correction's all done, we can go ahead and apply Ceramic Pro 9H. This car's in for a level 2 package, so you'll get 4 layers of Ceramic Pro 9H, followed by a single layer of top coat. Ceramic Pro 9H works perfect as a multi-layered system, which is why we can offer 4 layers or the single layer. Once the 4 layers of 9H have been applied to the vehicle, we can go ahead and apply the coatings to the wheels. Once all the barrels and faces of the wheels are coated, we'll then go ahead and apply a quick layer to the calipers as well. So that's the wheels and calipers coated with wheel and caliper. We can go ahead and apply a top coat. So you may notice in this clip that Callum's applying it with a spray gun rather than hand applying it. You can do it either way, which is a great benefit to top coat. So once the top coat has been applied, you should see some of the following benefits: super hydrophobic, weather and UV resistant, high gloss finish, as well as some anti-graffiti protection. So now that the top coat is fully applied, we can go ahead and put the wheels back on the car and coat the faces of the wheels with a Ceramic Pro wheel and caliper. This wasn't done prior to putting on the car, just so we can get full coverage of the wheel really. Make sure we don't ruin any of the coatings whilst putting them back on the car. So guys, thanks for watching this video on this BMW M2 Competition. As you can see, it's looking absolutely fantastic. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.